Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can enable cookies on Chrome. So if you're wondering and if your cookies are blocked in Chrome, then you can just follow up the steps in order to enable it. So what you may do is you can just head over and open up Google Chrome on your particular device. And once you open it up, you can go ahead and access settings. For that, look out for the three dot in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. And a menu should appear on your screen. Scroll down and look out for the option of settings and open up your Chrome settings like this on your screen. Now what you may do is on your left hand side, you should be finding different options for settings. You can look out for the option called privacy and security, head over it and open it up. And once you open it up, you should be finding different options. So you just need to scroll down from the given options and you should be finding option for deleting browsing data, cookies, etc. And we have this option for third-party cookies. You just need to head over this option and click on it. So what we need to do in order to allow it is, so we can find different options available here, allow third-party cookies and block third-party cookies. So we can just go ahead and select this option for sites allow as well. So what you need to do is select this option right here called block third-party cookies. If you want to allow it, you can just go ahead and select this allow. But if you'd like to block it, you can select this option for block third-party cookies, which will not allow third-party cookies to personalize contents and ads and learn about actions you take on other sites unless you allow related sites to access them. And sites can still use cookies to see browsing activities on their own, and site features that rely on third-party cookies may not work if you do so. And if you'd like to personally go ahead and allow use third-party cookies, you can click on add and you can add up your site here, for example youtube.com, and click on add and that should do it. But apart from that, if you do not want cookies, you can just go and select this option right here and that should do it for you. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.